Hello, and welcome again to another Pursuing Travel with the Millers World Culinary Journey, where today we're going to take a look at Hungarian Goulash. So it originated with the herdsman, and a heavy ingredient is paprika, and it's was really gained its popularity in the 19th century. It's kind of a very hearty, heavy stew, beef, potatoes, and the like. We've had the opportunity to try it quite a few times. We've been to Hungary twice and have tried it both times. And as you can see, I mean, it is a really hearty, it'll keep you full for a while because of all that's in it. But you can also make it extra spicy if you get a spicy paprika paste like we did at a restaurant. I didn't know this existed until we ate at this very nice restaurant. And I found, I mean, it is really spicy. But I, was not afraid to put quite a bit in there. So that's exactly what I did and really spiced it up and made the Hungarian goulash even better. So really, really tasty, especially at this particular restaurant with the spicier version of the goulash. So, then it can be different consistencies, put some sausage in it or, things like that. Another thing we had was Hungarian sausage. You hear about Polish sausage, German, but Hungarian sausage is also really good and can be spicy, and, of different varieties. So we went to the Hungarian marketplace, which has a lot of little small restaurants, street food kind of vendors, and we tried some of the sausage ourselves because you can see like there they have Hungarian sausage box. We got a sausage to try kind of as a snack, came with a couple of peppers, and it was really, really tasty. Hungarian sausage is great. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like food travel, destinations, and anything like that, and contact us for your next adventure.